Hey everybody, Karen here, the Unpinned Creative at Unpinned Creative. I've just got a quick flip through to show you today of a journal I have just finished in one of my classes. It is an altered book journal and it is flower and fairy themed. So the cover, this is the original book cover. It was in pretty good condition. And I have made a journal out of this book previously, so that video is in my junk journal playlist if you're interested. This one is a little bit different but very similar. On the front I've just got some lace, a beautiful feather and some applique things, and the same lace on the back. The book is The Language of Flowers if you're interested. I have kept a lot of the original pages in the book and added some coffee dyed paper as well. On the inside front cover, I've got this little pocket thing with some tags with writing space on the back. There is a fairy and another fairy. And this opens up so you could journal or write in there if you wanted to, and it's magnetized because we love magnets. So that one slips in there behind this pocket at the back, and then there's two pockets on the front. That could be used as a tuck spot. And that's also a little tuck spot. First page, just a little cluster, journaling pages. I forgot to show you there's a little charm, a little fairy charm there as well attached to the ribbon. Coffee dyed journaling pages. That's an original book page with just a frame around the image and some writing space. So all the pages have been stenciled. That's an original book page. This is a little pocket, and it has a pocket or tuck spot on the back. More coffee dyed paper. That could be a little tuck spot, but I'm not sure that it would hold anything very firmly. This page has a poem about Daisy, so I wanted to keep that. I love the artwork in this book. I love the size of it. Yeah, I love lots of things about it. And there's a poem about a dandelion. Coffee dyed pages. There's a little pocket there with a little tag. And that's a pocket as well. And another little pocket. And the other side. It's fairly simple. I kept it fairly simple. There's a little door, some journaling space. It was lots of fun to do, but I needed a quick and easy kind of project, although it did take a wee while. But I love it so much. And sometimes simple is good. Lots of my journals are not simple. The Beatrix Potter one, for example, which is coming up, is not simple. that is a little journaling space. Again, a tuck spot, possibly, but you'll probably have to paper clip something to that flap. Pocket there, pocket there, pocket there. I love that bright splash of purple. And that's a belly band on the back with a die cut of a butterfly. Room to fill your pockets and stuff without it being too much of a gated mouth. But anyway, really lovely sized little journal, lots of fun to make, and I will pop it on my website in the next few days. Hopefully. I think the other one, the original one, which doesn't have fairies, it's just flowers, is on my website right now if you're interested in checking it out. Thanks so much for joining me again today, and I'll see you in the next one.